Hi everybody, I'm in the Greek islands this week on a little tiny break. So I just wanted to share with you some of my experiences this week and the outfits that I've been wearing. Now we're actually on a yacht, so you tend to dress a bit more casually on a yacht than you might do in a hotel. But I just wanted to show you the whole of the week that I've been having here. Of course, it all started at the airport, as these things do. This is 4 a.m. at Gatwick. Really not exactly feeling my best. Never my best time of day or night. So I'm wearing flexible clothes. I'm wearing layers. I've got my Bodum white, incredibly comfortable t-shirt on and topped off with a black blazer because obviously then I can shed it when I get hot. And moving around quickly at the airport, with a pair of very easy and comfortable jeans and some flat beige ballerinas, which are really easy to run around in. So it's easy with this sort of an outfit to be able to move luggage around and to run around the airport as you need to be. And of course, not only do you need the flexible clothes, you also need some great quality luggage. Now, I've got some beautiful, beautiful luggage from Level 8 Luggage. Thank you so much to Level 8 Luggage, the New York company that produces top quality luggage, for collaborating with me on this video. Now, they've collaborated, but as I always say, I never suggest something that I don't love and I don't use. And this luggage is absolutely incredible, really perfect. And I'll show you all about it here. So first of all, I'll tell you what I selected. I had the Voyager check-in yellow suitcase. It's called, and this was the 28 inches one. 28 inches is the largest one that they do, and I do need lots of stuff, so I got a large one. And the second thing I chose was the laptop carry-on. It's called a Road Runner with a laptop pocket, and this is 20 inches. So as you probably have seen, the way I wear lots of different things, I tend to travel very heavy with lots and lots of stuff. So a lightweight case is absolutely crucial to me. Now this Voyager check-in is really, really lightweight, ultra lightweight actually. It's really sleek. Half of it was in yellow and half is in black. Now I chose the bit of yellow because then it's really outstanding and you can't miss it when it's coming out of the carousel at the end of the holiday. And it was also designed so well. It's got great handles. It's really easy to wheel. Those little wheels at the bottom are so smooth. These wheels are so incredibly smooth. They just glide everywhere. Easy to load the bag check-in as well. And when you're packing it initially, it's got compartments, so it's very easy to pack things separately. I tend to put my shoes, because I take a lot of shoes, in one of the compartments, and then the clothes in another. And then there's a top bit which you can separate off with a zip, and that's the toiletries and all sorts of things. You can separate it off really, really well. It's incredibly durable. It's scratch resistant as well, and it's really strong but lightweight, so it's just that perfect combination. Now the second thing, as I said, was this laptop carry-on. Now this is absolutely ideal. I said it was 20 inches. The size of the case is just below the limit for the airport carry-on dimensions. So what that means is that it maximizes the amount that you can take, which is just perfect. And also, my laptop is incredibly important to me. It's my life. You know, being a YouTube influencer, I need it for you, ladies, in order to create content for you. So, you know, it's so important to protect it. And with this laptop, it's got this special pocket in the front, which is protected and secured, and I felt really secure when I put my laptop in there. And also when I got to the area where you have to take everything out to show you know, all your devices and things, I didn't have to open my entire carry-on. I just opened the front zip and got my laptop out, easy as anything. So that was just perfect. Now, we are on a boat for this holiday. We're on a yacht. And of course, normally that means that we carry soft case bags. But the problem with that is that when you're at the airport, the stuff can get very easily damaged. So we do tend to take hard cases. And also the advantage with that is that when you open them out, like these really sleek ones, you know, in one of the empty cabins, you can use it as additional storage and drawers, and like a container as well. So it's perfect for that. And I've got you 10% discount on these cases from level 8. If you go through the links that I've put to these cases underneath the video description, and you can put in the discount code Deirdre10. So here you can see I'm standing on a pontoon actually. We just landed, no not landed, moored in a place in the south of the island of Levkada. This is called Civita. Lovely, lovely place. But as you can see, it's not that hot. So it was just an easy day. We just got there. So I popped on a navy blue top. This is quite old from Guess, but a similar top would look nice, fitted well, but with a relaxed pair of cotton navy blue and white striped shorts and just some easy flat shoes, flat sandals. Sunglasses, obviously, because it was lovely and light. And by the way, I'm not pole dancing. This looks like a pole dancing, but it's not. It's actually a flag, because this is the pontoon where the flag advertises the restaurant on the local pontoon. So it's just an easy day when we were getting used to being back in the Greek islands. So the next day we moved to a really lovely tranquil quay, very Greek in feeling, and this is on the island of Meganisi. But you know, unbelievably, this is only 400 meters from the kicking bar, more of which later. Now I just put on a crossbody bag, easy to put a couple of things in because we were just popping down to the local supermarket, and same shorts, but I just popped on my Bowden tan sandals. They're leather, they're breathable, and by then it was really hot, so they were very welcome, very comfortable, and mint velvet top, perfect for getting maximum sun. In the evening, we went for dinner in the village with the people in the boat next to us, which was really lovely. And I just wanted a very quick transformation into the evening with minimum fuss. So I carried on wearing the same white top, and I just swapped out the shorts for these lovely loose beige linen trousers. They're easy, they were comfortable. Actually from Shein, to be honest, so they were incredibly cheap, but I just found them very, very comfortable. And in order to wear them successfully, I wore some, they're H&M actually, transparent low heels. They're fairly lowish, between 1 and 2 inches, just to lift the trousers above the ground, but not to be heels, so that I could still actually walk. Popped on some bling with a Karen Millen layered gold necklace and my earrings from Amazon, which I wear a lot. Now I often base my outfits on neutrals when I go on holiday actually, because they tend to work so well together and they're so easy, so you can do things like this, transform from day into evening without any fuss. I also then add a few colour pops, more of which shortly. Then, after a really wonderful dinner, gorgeous Greek food, we walked back past the kicking bar, and a few hours later, we finally arrived back at the boat after dancing and much merriment. Now, you remember when I was talking to you before about adding a pop of colour to my neutral wardrobe, but basically a neutral wardrobe because that works so well. Well, in the summer, I tend to go for more of a corally, orangey pop of colour, which goes with the neutrals. But as this was end of September, beginning of October, I thought probably I would go for something cooler. So I selected blue, and I think this is really beautiful, this blue shirt. It's oversized, so very versatile. It's in linen, cotton and viscose, so that makes it much softer as well. And it's from Stradivarius, so it's quite cheap. So, you know, I like to dress up a little bit, particularly in the evenings. I expect you do too. So what I wanted was to be able to do that by wearing this lovely, soft, black, fairly fitted dress, midi dress. But, you know, I wanted something that was going to cover up the lumps and bumps as well, particularly as I was going out for an evening meal and, you know, I like to eat a fair bit. So I thought this style tip of wearing an oversized shirt in a lovely solid color like this blue. You might choose a different color because, you know, your favorites might be pink or green or whatever you like, but choose a color that you love on top of a dress, and it's so forgiving and it actually makes a really lovely outfit. It's one of my favorite methods of hiding lumps and bumps but still looking glam. And then I just added my metallic shoes from Boden. You must have a look at those. Now basically also the only thing I had to do really with that was just to add my sunglasses, and these are some of my favorites. I've got a couple of favorite sunglasses that I wear on holiday. These, which are from Amazon, literally less than £15. Also have another pair from Amazon which are a little more unusual. They're Privé Revaux, which I think I'm wearing in another outfit in this video. So I've also had this bag that you can see here that I popped on for absolutely ages, maybe about 8 years. Originally it's from June, but it's just so useful. It's big enough to put your essential bits and pieces in, but not so big that it actually gets in the way when you're going out in the evenings. Now this was just an easy, relaxed afternoon and evening out on the island of Meganisi. This was a sailing day. Today we went from island to island, or as I like to call it, island hopping. It was a little cooler out in the water actually, a bit of a breeze, so I popped on my gorgeous Boden Breton top, one of my fail-safes. Absolutely adore these tops. This is a navy and white one, and I just popped on a pair of simple white shorts and bare feet on the teak deck. Absolutely glorious day. When we arrived at Sparta-Hori, we tied the yacht up to the restaurant quay, which was a really, really tranquil spot. So I decided to put on something suitably romantic to match the occasion and the venue. Now, you may have seen this dress before, actually. I did a Cupshe haul a few weeks ago, and this dress is from Cupshe. It's probably my favourite, and it's totally perfect for this location. Now, I just teamed it with my Boden tan leather sandals. Then we just turned around the corner, and just around the corner there was this beautiful tropical beach bar just next to the restaurant, which was really fun actually. Had some tropical music going, and it was just even more romantic. And it inspired me to try their Aperol Spritz, which was gorgeous and just perfect in the heat. And I just popped on some light sprinkling of jewellery. You can see here my necklace from LUISA. This is a simple pendant with a zodiac sign on it, which I felt complemented this dress really well. And how about this tropical 4-poster, just to take in the views. The views were absolutely to die for all across the bay. So beautiful, so idyllic. Another day and another beautiful harbour. This time it was Civita. Now for this day I wore the beige linen trousers that you saw just now on my night out, and for the daytime I changed it a bit and I put it with a beige ribbed vest top, really easy, and a cool white cotton oversized shirt. So easy to put together, and again it's what I was talking about before, you know, putting neutrals together. It's just so easy and everything goes so well. Same shoes that I wore the other night too, my transparent heels, a couple of inches from H&M. It gets the trousers off the ground, and you may have noticed for the first time, you'll see me with my hair up. So that night we went for dinner at a gorgeous restaurant called the 12 Gods. It had gorgeous views all across the lights of the bay. It was just beautiful. Now the 12 Gods restaurant is themed around, believe it or not, the 12 Gods, and all the chairs are named after them. So what I do is, you'll laugh, I go around finding a nice Greek goddess to sit on. Each chair I choose the one that I want. Absolutely gorgeous food. Now what I wore for this was a simple cream ribbed dress in cotton, quite forgiving around the waist, which was quite handy because it was such beautiful food, and just simple jewellery and some simple shoes. So cheers. A neutral, easy outfit of white linen trousers and a beige top for a lovely pottering day. Now I discovered a fabulous food item here. It's orange cake. So moist, so succulent and sweet. And if you want to see it, you need to go to my Instagram page. Later that night, the orange cake was fully digested and I had space for dinner. This was the beautiful island of Ithaca, which was said to be the homeland of Odysseus. Now this is a very old outfit actually. It's cotton white trousers, straight leg white trousers, and an express bandeau top. I think I got it last summer, but I just love it and I wear it lots actually. It's just the right sort of look for an evening out like this. Now we ate right by the water's edge. We tend to always ask for a table right by the water, hear the water lapping when you're eating, and it was so delicious. So here I am at the end of our holiday on the Greek islands. We've had nearly 2 weeks, and to be honest, it's our last night. We're a little bit sad. We absolutely love it here on the Greek islands. So also though, I do hope that you've enjoyed this video with all the outfits that I wore during this holiday, and if you have liked it, please give it a thumbs up, because that's really, oh look what they've just brought. So we've got some nice little tasty nibbles here. I'm gonna miss Greece. So please give it a thumbs up because it's so good for the YouTube algorithm, and also please comment because I love to hear what you've got to say. So for now, it's goodbye from Greece, and till next week, stiniasas.